Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you're considering starting your own business. Congratulations! Starting a business is an incredibly rewarding experience, but it can also be challenging and overwhelming. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps you need to take to turn your idea into a successful business. Step 1. Define your idea and target audience. The first step in starting your own business is to define your idea and your target audience. What product or service are you going to offer? Who is your target customer? It's important to do your research and make sure there's a market for your idea. This might involve surveying potential customers, researching competitors, and analyzing market trends. It's also important to consider what makes your business unique and what value you can offer to your customers. Step 2. Conduct a feasibility study. Once you have a solid understanding of your idea and your target audience, it's time to conduct a feasibility study. This will help you determine whether your idea is viable and whether it has the potential to be profitable. A feasibility study will typically include an analysis of your target market, your competition, your financial projections, and your marketing and sales strategies. Step 3. Create a business plan. Once you've completed your feasibility study, it's time to create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business that outlines your business objectives, strategies, financial projections, and timelines. Your business plan will also help you secure funding from investors or lenders, if needed. A good business plan should include the following elements: 1. Executive summary. 2. Company description. 3. Market analysis. 4. Products and services. 5. Marketing and sales strategies. 6. Financial projections. 7. Management team. Step 4. Register your business and obtain licenses and permits. You'll need to register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. This will vary depending on your location and the type of business you're starting. Make sure you do your research and comply with all legal requirements. In some cases, you may need to consult with an attorney or accountant to make sure you're on the right track. Step 5. Set up your business infrastructure. Once your business is registered and legal, it's time to set up your infrastructure. This includes things like finding a location, setting up your website and social media accounts, and creating your branding and marketing materials. It's important to create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from your competitors. Step 6. Secure funding. Unless you have a lot of personal savings, you'll likely need to secure funding to get your business off the ground. There are a variety of funding options available, including loans, grants, and investors. Make sure you research all your options and choose the one that's best for your business. Step 7. Launch your business. Finally, it's time to launch your business. This is an exciting and nerve-wracking time, but it's also the beginning of a new adventure. Make sure you have a solid launch plan in place, including marketing and advertising strategies to attract customers. It's also important to have a plan in place for managing cash flow and ensuring that you're generating revenue. Conclusion. Starting your own business is a challenging but incredibly rewarding experience. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success and turn your dream into a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more business tips and advice.